Marhaban, benin adım Michigandes. Welcome to my Turkish learning with Ichikan. Today, we're going to learn the introduction to Turkish language, where it is spoken, who speak it, alphabet and extra letters, vowels, and some facts. By the end of this video, you will have a solid foundation. Okay, let's start our video. First, language and general information. Turkish. We will pronounce as Turkish. We pronounce this as Turkish. Okay, and Turkish is a fantastic language. It is spoken in Turkey, Cyprus, and some part of European and the Middle East, and also by Turkish community worldwide. Turkish belong to the Turkic language family, which is the part of the large Altaic family. Remember, it is the family of Altaic family. And then official status is official language of Turkey and one of the official language of Cyprus. Okay, so it is related to the language like Azerbaijani, Uzbek, Kazakh, Turkmen. These are the language which is similar to this. That means if you learn Turkish, you can learn also understand part of this language easily. Okay, and then second thing is official status. Turkish is the official language of Turkey and one of the official language in Cyprus that we know very well. This shows how important Turkish is not only in one country but in the region as a whole. Who speak Turkish? Over 75 million people speak Turkish as their native languages. People in Turkey use Turkish every day in homes, markets, schools, and on a street. In formal situations like media, education, and government, more standard Turkish is used. Most Turkish or speak English, German, or French, and especially in big city. So, Turkish is the strong and modern language, but also very close to its history and traditional. And what are the similar language? Turkish is closely related to this is language, that is Azerbaijani, Uzbek, Kazakh, Turkmen. So even though these languages are not the same, they share a grammar and many words. And one of the most important things is we're going to enter alphabets and letter. Now come one of the most exciting part, and that is the alphabet. Turkish use the Latin alphabet just like English, but with some changes. There are 29 letters in total, but these 29 letters are that are in official. There are official in Turkish, there is a 29 letter, but if you said in unofficial means there are 35 letters. Okay, so in that official 29 letters there are vowels 8. So there are vowels 8 and consonant 21. So totally 29. So these 29 letters are official to Turkish, and if we consider unofficial, that is 35 letter, that means 9 letter are considered as vowels and remaining 26 letters are unofficial consonants. So just now we focus on the official alphabets, that is 29 letter, and these are the extra Turkish letter, because it look like a Greek letter, it look like a Latin letter, but you can also see this letter in German, and I hope you understand what is letter. This is letter called as umlaut letter. We have seen in German, no? And this alphabet is written left to right, like left to right only. So same as in English. As here's the best part, Turkish is the phonetic. That means you read word exactly as they are written. So no silence letter, no confusion. When you learn the alphabet, you can read any word. And one of the thing is most of them thinking that Turkish are same as Arabic. No, literally that is nonsense, because Arabic and Turkish are literally very different. If you see, in Turkish, they borrow a letter from Arabic as well as the Persian, but the pronunciation, the way of the meaning will be different in entire languages. So don't confuse between Arabic and Turkish. Turkish is a unique. Okay? Because I'm hearing the most of the people are thinking that Turkish pronunciation and Arabic pronunciation will be literally same. No, there are some letter that is very rare. There are some letter will look like a same pronunciation, but it may have a same meaning or not. But these are a rare case. Like you, if you learn in Japanese and Chinese, means the Japanese they have borrowed for kanji, they have borrowed from the Mandarin Chinese. But there will be a two type of tones in Japanese. The one tone will be belongs to Chinese and another tone will be belong to the Japanese. So as like that, Turkish also is a unique language. Don't confuse between Arabic. As we know, in official letter there are 29. In that the vowels are 8. What are the vowels? I'm going to write. See this. It's look like English, but don't confused with English, but it's similar like English only. For you're a native speaker of English, you can easily learn the Turkish because Turkish is one of the easiest language. The system also create vowels harmony, meaning vowels in a word match each other. That's why Turkish sound smooth and music. And one more thing, I'm going to share some grammar basic. Turkish grammar are simple and logic because there is no gender in noun unlike French or Spanish and in any other languages. And the language is agglutinative. This means you add an ending to word to change the meaning. Don't confuse with this the grammar basic. Right now you know what is the thing. In my next video I'll upload about a grammar basic, so don't worry about it. Now I'm going to tell some fun fact about Turkish. It is very logic and easy to spell. Words are smooth because of vowels of harmony. And of course the famous phrase Seni seviyorum, that means I love you. So this is our introduction to Turkish learning. We are learning about what it's spoken, who speaks it, and the alphabets, vowels, grammar, and little bit, and even some fun facts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Turkish learning. Teşekkür ederim.